In this video, I'll show you how to log out of Peacock on all your devices. Step 1. Open a web browser. Go to peacocktv.com and sign in to your Peacock account if prompted. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Click your profile icon, then choose Account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Select Devices. In the account options, click on Devices to see a list of all devices signed in to your Peacock account. Step 4. Choose Sign Out All. Click the Sign Out All button. Confirm when prompted by clicking Sign Out All Devices. Step 5. Change your password. This is optional, you don't have to do this. For added security, return to account settings and reset your password to prevent unauthorized access. Now I have some tips for multi-device logout. You can use this feature if you shared your account or forgot to log out on a public device. Changing your password immediately after signing out ensures old logins cannot reconnect. Individual device logout is not available. You can only use Sign Out All as the only remote option. And that's how you sign out of all your Peacock accounts at once. If you found this video helpful, subscribe.